And he's charged with beating to death an elderly man, but instead of jail, he'll soon be waiting for trial at home. He's behind bars right now waiting for trial, but we've learned a judge decided the accused killer should instead get house arrest.
That has the victim's family outraged. News 13's Lizzie Mitri talked to them. She's live at District Court. Lizzie?
Jessica, Dean, the man accused of beating a 65-year-old to death has been in jail for the last 4 months. Now a district court judge is letting him out on an ankle monitor, and the victim's family is angry.
It scares the whole family.
Edward Garcia is the son-in-law of 65-year-old Richard Zarate, the man police say was beaten to death in his home off West Central in May. The family didn't find out until they found him days later dying.
My nephew went to check on him because he was worried, and he found him laying there.
Police arrested 5 suspects, including 25-year-old Philip Martin. He's accused of murdering Zarate, stealing from him and using his credit card. Martin's got 31 counts against him and was being held in jail on a $100,000 cash-only bond. But District Court Judge Cristina Arguirre's order yesterday will put him on house arrest with an ankle monitor instead.
65-year-old man beating him to death with his hands, punching him in the face, punching him in the gut, kicking him in the gut, and then letting him out free. That doesn't make any sense to me.
Stacey Ward is representing Martin. She says he had nothing to do with the murder and only went to the home to help a couple who was moving out get their stuff.
This is not Ted Bundy on release, okay? This is a very nice, soft-spoken, quiet and decent young man.
Ward says Martin has no prior criminal history, not even a traffic ticket. And she says he never should have had a high bond in the first place because there's no evidence.
Can the state put up or shut up when it comes to the evidence? And he has a right to be out on conditions of release until he faces trial.
Ward says Martin could be back home in about 2 weeks, a thought that worries Zarate's family.
Francis and the other girls will never be able to see their dad again. Why is this guy able to be out and socialize with his family?
Typically, only suspects accused of nonviolent crimes are put on house arrest. We wanted to ask the judge why she ordered it in this murder case. She didn't want to answer that question. Back to you.
All right. Thank you, Lizzie. Of the 4 other suspects accused in the case, only one of them, Marcus Hamilton, is charged with murder. Online court records show he's still in jail on a $100,000 cash-only bond.